Log entry 001. Airborne ice detaches from a commercial trailer. Impact causes catastrophic windshield failure. Analysis. Incident demonstrates the critical hazard of trailing uncleared transport vehicles in winter conditions. Log entry 02. Mobile device records a suspect fleeing an initial collision. The subject vehicle bypasses a red traffic signal at a major intersection, resulting in a high-speed lateral impact and vehicle rollover. Analysis. Fleeing a minor incident induces reckless operation, drastically escalating the probability of a severe secondary collision.
Hit and run, and then runs a red light.
Oh my God.
Oh, 911. Yeah, so I just got a hit and run, and then she ran around.
Log entry 003. Erratic shoulder overtake causes loss of control and barrier impact. Analysis. Aggressive weaving destroys vehicle traction. Log 04. Subject vehicle improperly overtakes a postal transport executing a left turn. Lateral impact sustained. Analysis. Intersection overtaking drastically increases collision probability. Log entry 05. Improper left turn causes frontal impact. Analysis. Failure to yield on green signal. Log entry 006. Traction lost. Analysis. Over acceleration on curve. Log entry 007. Vehicles hold in a dedicated left turn lane. On the green signal, the lead pickup abruptly accelerates straight, initiating a direct, seemingly intentional collision with opposing traffic. Analysis. Severe lane violation. Log entry 008. Recording vehicle approaches an unprotected intersection. An oncoming police unit executes a sudden right turn across the active lane, causing a T-bone impact. Analysis. Severe failure to yield. Log entry 09. Aborted pass causes tree impact. Rebounding rear strikes motorcycle. Analysis. Severe overcorrection from reckless overtaking. Log entry 012. An SUV enters a residential parking area at high speed, violently impacting stationary vehicles. Analysis. Excessive speed in confined residential zones severely compromises vehicle handling and braking. Log entry 011. Recording vehicle proceeds on a green signal. A crossing vehicle runs the red light, takes a direct hit, and deflects into waiting traffic. Analysis. Red light violation causes multi-vehicle impact.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
No.
What? What happened?
This dude just ran into me.
Are you okay?
I just crushed my fucking car.
Ooh, are you okay?
Yeah, I will,
I'm coming to you. Where are you?
Log entry 02. Vehicle strikes wildlife crossing the active highway lane at night. Analysis. Low visibility critically reduces reaction time.
Man!
Log entry 113. A dirt bike rider traveling on an unpaved road sustains a high-speed collision when a deer unexpectedly emerges from the roadside vegetation. The impact causes a total loss of control and subsequent ejection.
Holy
Analysis.
shit.
Unpredictable wildlife crossings critically reduce
Lay
reaction
down,
time.
baby. Lay down. Holy shit.
Log entry 04. A pedestrian launches a bicycle at the recording vehicle. Analysis. Hostile road rage engagement. Log entry 015. A high-speed pursuit is initiated as a suspect in a silver pickup truck attempts to evade law enforcement. The subject demonstrates extreme disregard for public safety by frequently crossing into oncoming lanes of traffic, utilizing both sides of the roadway to bypass blockades and standard traffic flow. It is noted that this specific footage is horizontally flipped. Throughout the duration of the chase, the suspect repeatedly maneuvers between the primary lanes and the grass medians. These frequent transitions over the uneven ground and drainage ditches cause the vehicle to repeatedly lose contact with the road surface, resulting in multiple jumps that severely compromise the truck's mechanical integrity and steering stability. Despite the visible loss of control and heavy impacts, the suspect maintains high velocity through both residential and commercial corridors. The pursuit reaches a catastrophic conclusion at a major controlled intersection. The suspect vehicle fails to observe a red light signal and enters the intersection at high speed, initiating a violent T-bone collision with a civilian Jeep. Analysis. Chronic lane departure and high-velocity off-road transitions significantly increase the risk of multi-vehicle fatalities. The repeated impact with uneven terrain likely impaired the vehicle's handling and braking capabilities prior to the final intersection entry. Such reckless behavior in high-traffic zones forces law enforcement to prioritize immediate public containment. All footage has been cataloged for evidentiary review and subsequent prosecution.
Naples Road, crossing across Naples Road. 250 Staples.
Log entry 16.
What are you doing?
An off-duty officer initiates a confrontation following a vehicle horn signal.
You're going to get arrested for assault.
The interaction
What are you doing?
escalates from a display of official credentials to physical assault.
Yeah, because I yelled at him.
Analysis.
For assault.
Aggravated road rage involving misuse of
He has
authority.
video that you hit him.
I've been doing this job for almost 25 years. He's saying that I hit him.
Yes. And he has the red mark on his face.
And there's nothing where I can press for a breach of peace for him yelling at me, whatever it is, or...
I've seen the video, so
Yeah.
I know he didn't yell at you.
Log entries 0117. A vehicle drifts from the left lane, striking an undercover police unit and continuing without stopping. The officer immediately initiates a stop for the hit and run. Analysis. Lane departure and failure to stop results in immediate intervention. Log entry 18. A vehicle runs a red light, triggering a violent collision and a rollover onto waiting traffic. Analysis. Red light violations critically compromise multi-lane intersection safety. Log entry 01 NEEN. A vehicle with prior frontal damage and previously deployed airbags continues to operate. Analysis, probable post-collision flight. Log entry 02. A motorcyclist initiates a high-speed pursuit after fleeing an attempted arrest by the NYPD. The subject maneuvers through heavy traffic in Brooklyn, New York. The pursuit continues through intersections like Washington and Gates Avenues, with the rider utilizing sidewalks and bus lanes to bypass law enforcement. Analysis. Reckless evasion in high-density urban areas significantly increases the probability of civilian casualties. Such extreme maneuvers during pursuits often lead to severe judicial consequences. Log entry 021. Unsafe lane change at a toll plaza leads to impact and rollover over the guardrail. Analysis. Improper lane transition. This concludes the current batch of critical incident logs. Data compilation complete. To access further traffic and security archives, initialize a subscription to this channel. Additional files are available for review on